In today's lesson, we're looking at the Cartesian plane and being able to identify elements of that. So first of all, we've got a big red plus sign here, and what this is doing is representing some graph. And you can see that it ends up dividing our space into 4 areas, which we call quadrants. Now the quadrants are labelled, and we're labelled with the top right hand corner being quadrant 1. The top left hand corner is quadrant 2, and then we have quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Now the easiest way we can actually remember the order of the quadrant is if we think about this graphy area being a giant C, so we can form a C shape like this. So quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now that's not the only element of the Cartesian plane. The other thing we've got is the lines itself. And what we do is we refer to the line going across the screen as the x-axis, and the line that goes up and down is the y. So from here now we can actually start to plot some points. We recognise that the center point of both is 0, and all the numbers moving from the right hand side in this direction are going to be positive on the x-axis, and the numbers going in this direction are therefore going to be negative. Similarly on the y-axis, the numbers going up are going to be positive, and the numbers going down are going to be negative. So what we can do now is if we have a point, let's call it point A, and it is at 4 and 3. So what you'll see commonly is the point, and we've labelled this point A here, and it's asking us to plot a point 4, 3. Now the first number relates to an x, so that's x, and the second number is y. So all we need to do is go to x and count across 4. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. But we've also got to go up 3 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3. So what we do is we take the intersection of those points and we end up here on the line. So that is point A. Now they're both positive numbers. If we do the flip side of that, so we might have point B, and point B might be -4 and -10. So again, remembering our first number is always going to be x. So we're going to go across to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's -4. And what we're going to do now is go down the y-axis 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's -10. We go out to the point where they both meet, and that puts us here. That puts us there. So that's our point B on the graph. So if we're now going to use our previous knowledge that we learned about quadrants, we could say that point A is in quadrant 1 and point B is in